Grand prize winner time, baby.
Ooh.
I hate leaving messages.
The suspense is killing me.
Hi, you've reached Tracy. I can't get to the phone right now. Leave me name and number, and I'll call you back as soon as I can. Thanks.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Hi, Tracy. This is CJ calling from 94.3, 97.3 The Wolf. We're calling with some really, really good news. You qualified for the Wolf Great Stove giveaway thanks to our good friends at Countryside Stoves in Red Hook, and we're calling to let you know that you are our grand prize winner! You're going to get a Harmon pellet stove thanks to Countryside Stoves in Red Hook. And all you need to do now is give us a call back on the request line at 473-9431 so we can get you all the details. Congratulations, and call us back soon.
Yeah!
That's